In this video, I'll be discussing the controlled NOT gate to continue my series in quantum computing. We can express our basis states of 0 and 1 in the vector notations as described here. Unlike a previous video I did on the Hadamard gate, which only acts on one qubit, the controlled NOT gate or CNOT gate acts on 2 qubits. That being so, it will have a subscript by convention where you indicate the control qubit and the target qubit, where here the 0th qubit is the x and the 1 qubit is the 0 here. So if the control qubit is a 0, the CNOT gate will act as the identity and not do anything to your 2 qubits. However, if the control qubit is a 1, it will flip the target qubit. So here I've indicated that by taking the x with the direct product of 1. So if we're in binary, that'll flip 0 to 1 and it'll flip 1 to 0. So in effect, the controlled NOT gate is a way to flip the state of certain qubits dependent upon whether your control is on or off. However, it does not act on the control qubit, it only can act on the target qubit. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below.